Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change voice over language for your Apex Legends mobile on Android. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to the settings, right here find language, and click on the voice over, this pen next to it. And here you'll be able to download the pack of the voice language you want to use. Simply click on the language, like this, click OK. Keep in mind that it will download additional data to your phone, and after selecting it, when it downloads, you'll be able to press OK, and that way your language will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.